ख़वातीनो हज़रात, आज की तकरीब के गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर सऊदी अरब के वज़ीर दिफा हिज रॉयल हाइनेस शहजादा खालिद बिन सलमान बिन अब्दुल अजीज अल सऊद परेड वेन्यू में तशरीफ ला रहे हैं। हिज रॉयल हाइनेस प्रिंस खालिद बिन सलमान बिन अब्दुल अजीज अल सऊद, डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ऑफ Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, is a graduate of King Faisal Air College, Riyadh, KSA, and is also a fighter pilot of F-15 aircraft. He has participated in an international campaign against ISIS and has taken part in Operation Decisive Storm and Restoration of Hope as a fighter pilot. आज की तकरीब के गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर सऊदी अरब के वजीर दिफा हिज रॉयल हाइनेस शहजादा खालिद बिन सलमान बिन अब्दुल अजीज अल सऊद परेड वेन्यू में तशरीफ ला चुके हैं। His Royal Highness शहजादा खालिद बिन सलमान बिन अब्दुल अजीज अल सऊद इस वक्त इस्तकबालिया कमेटी से मुसाफा कर रहे हैं। वजीर आजम पाकिस्तान और सदर पाकिस्तान ने उनका इस्तकबाल किया है।
Dedication. His professional skills, knowledge, and leadership merits to be duly accredited for himself, his nation, and humanity at large. Your Royal Highness, we are grateful for your presence here on this auspicious occasion, despite your busy schedule in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Your efforts in strengthening bilateral ties and adding new chapters in the Pak-KSA relations will always be valued and remembered. Ladies and gentlemen, in recognition of the meritorious services for Pakistan and the people of Pakistan, His Royal Highness Prince Khalid bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud has been nominated for the highest civil award of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Mr. President, I seek your permission to now read out the citation of award for His Royal Highness. Please. I shall now read out the citation. His Royal Highness Prince Khalid bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud has been the Defense Minister of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia since September 2022. Pakistan and Saudi Arabia enjoy long-standing fraternal relations and military ties between both countries that play a fundamental role in further strengthening these relations. His Royal Highness has revitalized military relations through accelerated cooperation in defense production under his patronage. Out of many competing countries, His Royal Highness has given top priority to collaboration with Pakistan's defense industry. Under his leadership, military ties between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia have grown significantly in various domains. Confidence in the capabilities of Pakistan's defense industry in the form of joint ventures for localization of the Saudi defense industry under Saudi Vision 2030 speaks volumes about his gesture towards Pakistan. Such joint ventures will surely support Pakistan's economy through defense projects in addition to the localization of the Saudi defense industry. His Royal Highness has been a true friend of Pakistan, and the government and people of Pakistan deeply cherish the profound love and affection that he has always demonstrated for Pakistan and its people. His Royal Highness's steadfast support to Pakistan, especially through renewed defense production collaboration and continuous support on issues of vital concern, is a source of strength for the people and leadership of Pakistan, which will always be remembered. In recognition of his outstanding services in the field of services to Pakistan, the President, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, has been pleased to confer upon His Royal Highness Prince Khalid bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud the award of Nishan Pakistan. I request His Royal Highness Prince Khalid bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud to come forward. Mr. President, may I request you to decorate the award of Nishan Pakistan upon His Royal Highness Prince Khalid bin Salman.
Thank you, Mr. President. This is really great.
Mr. President, may I have your permission to close the investiture ceremony? Thank you. The formal proceedings of the special investiture ceremony are now over. Thank you very much.
सदर मुमलिकत आसिफ अली जरदारी ने सऊदी वजीर दिफा शहजादा खालिद बिन सलमान बिन अब्दुल अजीज़ अल सऊद को निशान पाकिस्तान का एजाज़ दिया। इस तकरीब का इनेकाद ऐवान सदर इस्लामाबाद में किया गया। वज़ीर आज़म मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ ने भी तकरीब में शिरकत की।
सदर मुमलिकत आपसे गुजारिश है कि इन अफसरान को हिलाल इम्तियाज़ अस्करी के एजाज़ से बारी बारी नवाजें। सबसे पहले मोहसिन मोहम्मद कुरैशी।